Alright, hello Kizomba lovers. In today's video I'm going to show you a lot of different basics for ladies and gents part, so enjoy the video. So the first basic that I'll show you is the stationary basic. So ladies, your right foot will be free and essentially you have the so-called marching in one place. Okay, so the right foot is free and you will have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do it in front of you, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you would like to speed it up, you can definitely do 1, 2, and then slow down on the step number 3. And once again, 1, 2, and then slow down on step number 3. Once again in front of you, 1, 2, 3 of 4, and 1, 2, 3 of 4, 1, 2, 3 of 4, 1, 2, 3 of 4. Now, this is a dance that it's essentially being danced in a lot of different surfaces. With that being said, if you're dancing in a concrete and so forth, you can definitely lift and release your feet off the floor. Typically, we keep the feet V-shaped instead of turned in, for example. The most that we'll do is we'll place the feet close to each other. Now, a lot of body movement when you're dancing Kizomba. Okay, initially when you're learning it, you may feel a little stiff, which is fine. Just make sure that you understand your timing and that you feel comfortable with the music. Next thing, gents part. So, guys, we're mirroring the ladies' steps. Nothing too complicated. Your left foot must be free in the very beginning. So we're going to do the same type of marching. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, we can always add a little faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, guys, when you're dancing, the movement is typically a bit more limited in terms of body action. Make sure that you leave a bit more room for the female to dance her basics. Okay? The next step that I'm going to show you is your side basic. So the side basic will go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so guys, when you're dancing the side basic, it works the very same way as if you were to dance the stationary. Without much explanation needed, keep your feet turned out, okay, and soft knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're going, for example, trying to add a bit more speed, 1, 2, hold it, and 1, 2, and then you can do a little bit of switches as a stationary basic. Now, ladies, the very same basic for you, going to the right first. 1, 2, 3, switch, switch. 1, 2, switch, switch. 1, 2, switch, switch, and 1, 2, switch, switch. Dancing in front of you. 1, 2, switch, switch. 1, 2, switch, switch. 1, 2, switch, switch. 1, 2, and switch, switch. Let's try with music. Basic first, stationary. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In front, ladies, again basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, adding a little more speed. 1, 2, hold it, 3, 4. 1, 2, hold it, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and hold it, 3, 4. Gents, the same thing, starting with the left foot. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding speed. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in front of you, gents, left foot free. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, adding speed. 1, 2, hold it, 3, 4. 1, 2, hold it, 3, 4. 1, 2, hold it, 3, 4. All right, let's try the side step. Ladies first. Right foot free. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and front, ladies, right foot free, going to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, adding speed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. All right, guys, left foot free, going to the left. 6, 7, and we go. Slow, switch, switch, slow to the right, and switch, switch, and slow to the left. Switch, switch, and slow to the right. Switch a little quicker. Quick, quick, and hold it slow. Quick, quick, and hold it slow. In front of you, left foot free, guys, going to the left. 1, 2, slow and down, and 1, 2, slow and down, quicker, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Learning how to dance both ladies and guys steps would only benefit your dancing. I strongly suggest you understand both. If you know, ladies, if you know the guy step, you will be able to follow better. You'll be able to anticipate the movement better. With that being said, you'll have more time to create more action. Gents, you should definitely know what the lady experienced going to side and even dancing the stationary basic. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. More Kizomba videos to come.